Taga. Hama. Sadi. Sabe. Faster. Don't let it get away. Keep up the pace.
Cześć. Kaksa.
Nika.
Ekwake chabe. Nenda haraka. Shika, funga, maliza.
Kakaka.
Hanje.
Tsi. Haya. Haba bajeku. Tsika. Haba bajeku.
Heje. Tsamea. Stay low. See it? Wait.
Look, the stones are moved here.
A pig heading east.
Let's go. Hatza. Kshai, tsame.
Look at the footprints by the mud.
They were here recently. We should wait.
Fresh tracks. The pig passed recently.
Yes, not long ago.
It went that way. Let's move quietly.
Wait, slowly now.
They are still grazing. Move to the left bush.
Ready? Haya, chesa.
To the left, quickly! There they are! Hurry, run! Quick, they went that way. Faster, faster! Don't let them get away. Keep running!
Oh yeah! Don't let them rest.
They went this way, quickly. I see their tracks. Hurry, they are close. Go left, behind the log. I see them. Keep pushing. Go left, go left. They're turning right. Get them, quickly. They are slowing down. We have them now. Keep pushing. Surround them now. They are trapped. Aim for the large one.
Hey, got him. Quickly, after the others.
What's up? Hiya, hiya. Drive it. Four strong pigs.
We carry them home now.
Hooray! Quickly now, secure it. Yes, it is done. Let us move. Acha! Acha! Corre, corre! Hele, hele, he!
We carry the feast home. Forward together, step by step.
Hiya, hey!
We have returned with much meat.
Hooray! They are back! Look at the size of the pigs! Welcome, welcome! You have brought much food today.
Hooray! The hunters are back! We will eat well!
Put the stones closer.
Bring the meat now, quickly.
We need more sticks!
Come, the feast begins!
Look how much there is!
A successful hunt indeed. This meat is delicious.
Yes, the hunters did well today.
We have enough for everyone.
And then the lion emerged from the tall grass, but we were ready. It was a successful hunt for the whole tribe.